Welcome back to the Community Education series on how to support your loved one who's been impacted by addiction. My name is Stephen Hall, and today we're going to talk about the I feel statement formula. When we're in a relationship with somebody, we have to realize that they cannot make us feel certain emotions. These are ours to own. So when we use this formula that we're going to go through, what it does is it helps to decrease the other person from getting defensive or argumentative because we're owning our feelings. So we start with I feel, and then you insert an emotion word. I feel frustrated. Something along those lines. Determine what it is you're actually feeling. A good tool for this is the feelings wheel, which we have a copy down in the description, which you can download and take a look. There's many different feelings used to describe certain situations. So I feel emotion because, and what is the situation? What is going on that's causing you to feel that emotion? So sitting down again and determining, being clear and concise, this is the situation that's happening. The next part of the formula is would you consider? And you follow that up with a possible solution. So coming up with something that's going to be amicable, that's going to work for both parties, and something that makes sense, something that's realistic. The last part of the formula is you can count on me too. This is where we get to offer support. This is where we get to be part of the solution. So if you're dealing with a loved one who's new home from recovery from a treatment center, or maybe they're just getting clean in the community, let's say that maybe one of their behaviors in the house isn't something that is ideal for you. I feel frustrated when you come home in such a bad mood. Would you consider speaking to your support group? You can count on me to drive you to a meeting, to take you to see your sponsor. What can I do to help? Oftentimes, it's scary when we're actually looking at our emotions, when we're trying to express what we're feeling, and this takes practice. So just remember, every day that you try to describe a new feeling for these situations means that you're working hard to become the best possible supportive partner you can. Thank you for joining us for another episode of the Community Education series. If you'd like to learn more about these topics, or Together We Can, please visit us at www.twcrecoverylife.org. If you're looking for free family programming, please visit our website, click on Recovery, and then click on Family Support. There you'll find lots of information and how to sign up for our free family programming. Thank you again for joining us.